Hello, welcome back to Glorious and Brazil Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making ground beef avocado salad. Let's start. So here I have my ground beef on the stove with some chopped onion and some salt added already to it. You don't need oil, just put it on the pan, turn on your stove. So here I'm using the store-bought salad. It came with this nuts and some cream, but I'm not using the cream. Yeah. Okay, so now look at the meat. It releases its juice. So this is the time the taste starts, the yumminess. These are the spices I'm going to use. You mix all together well. Okay, so I drizzle some olive oil on the leaves and we are done. This salad was so yummy. Thanks for your love, thanks for your support, thanks for subscribing, and those who are yet to come, we are waiting for you.